Tenant states, my dishwasher will not drain. Alright, so what we just did was mark to see if the timer was working, and in 5 minutes it didn't advance any further, so we're going to go grab a new timer for it. Just go type it into our software and pull up the right part. Got to go out to the truck to see if we have it. Diagram says it's number 904 and it should be ending in 3639 if I remember properly. And it's going to cost a pretty penny, about $130-ish. But looks like I do remember seeing one of those in my truck. Let's go take a look. This is what the inside of your dishwasher door typically looks like. It's usually not that clean. It's pretty dirty, disgusting, but it doesn't really matter. Your dishes don't touch this area. It's just a place where dust gets collected and whatnot. But pop the connectors off this old timer, unbolt it, throw the new one in there. Make sure to transfer over the little dial mechanism, the aqua green kind of thing right there. Yeah, make sure to pull that off and transfer it over. Let's get it tested out and use the same trick. Just make a little mark on the dial and see if it's advancing. Yep, that definitely looks like it's advancing. All right, wipe off the mark. This one's all set to go.